we caught one catfish today. It might not have been on a jug. I imagine they'll remember this for a long, long time. Well guys, as you can tell, we have a little bit different scenery today. It is day 2 on our back to school fishing trips, and we have come down to Lake Bridgeport here at Runaway Bay, and we have purchased us some goldfish today and some minnows. And we are going to attempt to catch some flatheads today. This will be my first attempt ever to come down to Lake Bridgeport and flathead fish, which, to be honest with you, I don't know that I've ever targeted flathead specifics. Going to be our first time down here trying this. We got the boys with us. I ended up buying some minnows. We may try to crappie fish a little bit, but I didn't bring but my fishing pole, so the boys will have to take turns if we crappie fish today. So y'all stay tuned with us and let's see what this adventure holds for us today. Braden, are you about ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Here, I want to hold it. Oh, so cute.
They are cute.
They aren't. They're not. It's cute, too. Oh, you are so cute.
Well guys, we're out here on Lake Bridgeport today with our homemade fishing jugs. As you can see, we if you haven't seen our video where we made these at, you might want to check that video out. But we've got our homemade concrete weights right here. We've got our foam jugs that we use, that we stick our hooks in the end of them, as you can see right here. And we are baiting today. We're doing something a little bit different. We're baiting with some shad on the bottom hook, and then the top hook we are putting goldfish on today. This is our first attempt at trying to target some flathead catfish, hopefully. So the boys have got goldfish back here in their bucket, and we are just going down the lake here. I'm going to hit the points today where I think there's some good depth and good rocks at. It's going to be our goal. All right, boys, I'm waiting.
Don't get me a hook in here.
So we'll see how this goes today.
Oh, that's so cool. Is this for?
Well, we are going to do a little different today than yesterday. Yesterday, I was setting them in like lines of 7. But today, we're going to just target, like I said, these rock points that you see in front of us here. And I'm going to set like 4 jugs out here, 4 jugs out in another spot. I've got one more right here, bud. We're going to do. We could probably get away with 5, but I think we're better off to move around today. Since we don't know where we're fishing at, the different places we try might be better today. Okay? Okay, Shad?
Rain? Yeah, rain.
Alright, take it apart.
Oh, that's a big one.
Just slippery.
More goldfish.
Yeah, just slippery. Now I use it.
All right, that's 4 on this point. So what we'll do is we're going to just keep hopping down the lake, and places that I think, and whether it's going to be work or not, we're just going to keep hopping down the lake looking for rocky points.
that one is
How deep are we?
24.
Today, now we're down here on Bridgeport. We're targeting somewhere around 20 foot of water. It's where I'm trying to set the jugs at. Hey, not that that's where the fish is. That's just kind of what I was trying to do here. Is just target a little bit deeper water.
Right, you
We
got one caught?
more? Is that what we got?
Yes.
One more? Okay, good job. I need a live bait.
Brain has one too. Hey, right, there you go. That is the biggest one ever.
Golly. Well, if we could just catch one or two flatheads, it's going to make my day.
Oh, the biggest! Is he still alive?
Oh, yeah. He'll stay alive, hopefully.
We're going to a new spot. Look, it's not busy.
Brayden, catch another goldfish.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna drop it in.
Got it? We bass fish down here a lot. And our bass fishing, the guys always seem to catch, hey, a flathead not yet. Just hold on. Catch a lot of flatheads bass fishing. So that's why we've come down here. I just thought that might be a good opportunity for us to, hey, see if we can actually catch them if we're trying to catch them.
Well, what is it now?
The depth, about 17.
Okay, Brayden, here.
Oh, that was yours. It's got your name on it.
Yay! That can be my buoy.
Is that the lucky one? All right. Riley, how many fish do you think we're going to catch today?
5, 6, 7.
5, 6, or 7? Brayden?
Live bait.
100. Well, we don't got 100 jugs.
Oh, look at there is a
Peppa said yesterday we caught 14.
Caught 14 yesterday. Set my weight in the water, Bubba.
right. Set the weight in the water.
Set it in there. Thank you. If we catch one flathead today, I'll be tickled. If we catch one, I'll be tickled. So anything over that, I'd be just ecstatic over.
Big rocks mean big fish?
Let's hope that's what big rocks mean. Well, guys, we have finally made it to our last jug. This is our 24th jug. We had an extra goldfish, so this one's going to end up with 2 live baits on it.
Good job, Brayden.
Good job, buddy.
That's fast. The roll catch. I want to hold it.
What'd you catch, Brayden?
Hang on.
So we caught a crappie. So we got the jug set out, guys. I bought them a dozen minnows, and we're just dock hopping right now, seeing if we can catch a few fish, kind of keep the boys entertained a little bit. And Briley's caught him a sand bass so far, and Brayden just caught him a keeper crappie. So we're gonna throw it in the live well and add it to our sand bass.
I want to hold you. What's this box?
Yep, right there.
Well, what are we at? 12. Net,
Fish
net.
out.
Catfish. All right, you got. I'm giving you a pole. Get your
Got the
hand on
net.
it. Who's got the net? Oh, don't let it get it. Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up.
Oh my goodness, it's a catfish.
All right, he's got it, he's got it. That's good. Well, we caught one catfish today. It might not have been on a jug, but it's gonna be on a minnow.
It almost got off, Papa.
It almost did, didn't it?
I don't want to go first. That's always walk by.
He's on the ice here, so he ain't getting in my live well slime.
Good job, Riley.
Open the live well, little man.
I think that makes 3 for the last one.
That makes 3 crappie.
All right, I put the camera down right before they've caught them, so I'm keeping it up.
Oh,
Braden,
no,
shut that. Put that. No, Braden, put that up.
Oh no, put him up. We don't need him. We don't need him
We
yet,
don't
bud. We
want
don't
them
need him.
dying.
You better watch it.
All right, put them in there and shut it so it stays cool.
We don't have a bunch of them, Bubba.
Is the water cool?
You can put a little ice in there if you wanted to. Yeah, more than that.
A little bit more. Whatever fish were here, they're gone.
What?
Just teasing Braden.
But you know what? I don't feel like it's up.
Oh, it's a drum. Hey, net it if you want to. Uh-oh.
What?
Done caught us a drum.
We won't be keeping that one.
Yeah, we ain't keeping him.
Bye-bye, John. Oh! He's gone.
We had a goldfish gone, didn't we?
Oh, that's sad. And that's gone.
That's got slime on that one.
Where?
The line's got some slime on it. Well, guys, it's middle of the day, and we are going back through the jugs right now for the first ones we put out. And all of our bait was gone off of this one, so no fish. So we're just going to have to keep running the jugs and hope for the best here.
Come on, put it in the water.
You releasing the goldfish?
He's alive! He's alive!
Alive.
Alive. He's alive. 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 He needs to be in the water.
You gonna save him? Whoop. There he goes.
Bye-bye.
Papa, you got lots of help.
I got lots of help. They're learning. One day they'll be doing this by themselves. Yeah, y'all will be.
You. Right there.
Can you put the weight up for me, Braden? Or Brawley?
All right, we're gonna leave the trolling motor down and we'll idle up there in the boat. I bet there's a fish on this one.
Look how far out it is. I think it's moved even more.
A big old gar on it.
You think so?
It's standing up.
It is standing up.
Now, we didn't put it out there, so I know it's a fish on it.
Alright, this one's definitely standing up.
That's good, Brady. Hey, let me see.
Nope.
She's on the bottom too, guys. Hold up. Let's see what we got.
I want to see the sun.
We got a big old catfish. Hold up. That's good right there. Let's stop right there with you. Needle nose? Boy, he ain't big as I was hoping he'd be.
He done, Nino.
He sure did. He just did, buddy.
Why? Because in this like it.
Yep.
Because we were born.
All right, back up.
He didn't eat a goldfish, Brain. He ate a cut up.
He did eat cut shell.
Yeah, cut up.
All right, well, boys, y'all caught 2 catfish today. Not a flathead, but another blue.
I want to try this out.
I'm gonna grab him up and throw him in the lake.
Yeah, that would be fun.
He might like that.
Yeah.
No, he's not throwing you in. He was kidding.
I'm playing with you.
No,
No, here. Here, hey.
Hey, get him closer.
Get us up there, Bubba. All right, turn us out to the lake. There you go, good job.
Right, you got metal to save. Yes. Let me try.
All right, you got him?
Yes. Bye-bye. Love you. Have a day.
Do you love the goldfish?
Yes.
Yeah. Silly boy.
That ball is done for. It is hot.
It is hot.
Yes.
This might be harder than bass fishing, but
How hot is it?
1,000.
1,000 degrees out here?
for helper, brother.
Are you having fun though?
Yeah.
Awesome. That's what it's about.
This is not fun. It is hot. So hot.
What do you want?
I want to go swimming, and Papa said yes.
Oh my.
You want it?
Braden, you want this?
Yes. That was practice. Let's do it. Yes. Bye bye.
I got it. You do with the jug.
Brady, grab the weight.
I can't. It's way too hot. Okay.
No, it goes up there.
Well, guys, we've made it down here to our last jug today, and needless to say, it wasn't quite the experience it was yesterday when we were blue cat fishing. But anyway, that's fishing for you, and the boys got to get out today. We got to, hey, if we'd have caught 3 or 4 flatheads, we'd been tickled. It's not going to be our last trip.
My baby.
Not our last trip. We're just going to tackle it again and just see what happens.
It's okay, big
All right,
guy.
give him a chunk.
It's okay, big guy. Bye bye, big guy. Love you very much. You got another
Oh, there's another one.
Let me get this one.
This was the twofer.
Yeah, this is where we had an extra goldfish we added
I
into it.
caught him. Whiting. Like the other chicken. Whiting.
See lightning fast.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye bye.
But hey, that's fishing. We got to get out today, and I think the boys had fun. We caught a couple crappie, and they did catch a couple catfish
I
today.
can go in now.
So we are just about to pack it in and go to the house.
No. Let's get some clothes off.
What you gonna take off?
My shirt.
Well, this is our second trip, and this little booger ain't been wanting. Oh, not yet. This booger ain't been wanting to do nothing but jump in the lake. So we have let him strip down, and he is about to go. All right, take off.
How does it feel? Good?
All right, your turn. Hey, Braden. This is a good day?
Yeah.
It's a good day, huh?
Coming off.
Oh, hey, Bubba's got a problem.
Are you touching?
Do what?
Are you touching? No.
I'll tell you what, you're talking about feeling better. Golly.
Well, let's go in the water.
You want to wrestle in the water?
That's not help! I need help, Mom!
Pebble, how are you going to get back up here?
I do not know. But it ain't the first time I've been out of the boat, so we'll figure it out, I guess. Well, guys, as you can tell, we have abandoned the fishing. We've put on life jackets, and we have jumped in the lake. You know, it ain't always about the catching. It's about how much fun you can have, and I imagine they'll remember this for a long, long time. What y'all think?
Good.
Good? I got a good out of one of them. What do you think? He said, sure. I think this made the trip. It was a flop on the fishing, but I think the 5 minutes of swimming was a success. Well, guys, as always, we appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate if you'd like and subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.